Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make a quick and easy do-it-yourself soap nut shampoo, then watch this video all the way through. So I took some soap nuts, I took the seeds out, as you can see right here, and then I put it on the stove on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Okay, then I took it off the stove, stirred it around a little, giving it time to cool off. And then I blended it, and you can see the lather, and that's just from the soap nut. Okay, I did a consistency check, and it's too thin for me. I wanted more like a shampoo consistency. So I took the glycerin and xanthan gum, I mixed both together, and I added about a teaspoon. And I kept stirring, and the more I stirred it, the thicker it got, as you can see here. And then I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of preservative. Then I put it in my bottle, and then lastly I did a lather check.